Hi friends, this is another video of certificate creation using Google Form. In this video, I am going to explain how to prepare a certificate using Google Form. Nowadays, we are conducting quizzes through Google Form. At the end of the quiz, we have to provide certificates for the participants. Now, I will show you how to prepare a certificate for a quiz conducting through Google Form. For this, we have to log in into our Gmail and then we have to select the Google Form. Now I am in the Google Form page. For creating a new form, I have to click on the blank form and then I have to give a title for the quiz. I am giving IT quiz and I am giving a description. And I am adding the name of the participant. After that, I am adding the questions. Now I have to convert this form into quiz form. So I have to select the settings option and select the quizzes option. Click on this, make this a quiz. Click on the save button. Now this form has been created as a quiz form. Now we have to have the questions. I am giving 2 questions. I am giving the option and it is multiple choice and I have to add the answer key and I have to give the points. Done. And if you want to add new question, you have to click on the plus button and I can add another question. And we have to add the answer. We have to add the answer key and put the points. Click on the done button. Now a form for conducting the quiz is ready. At the time of conducting the quiz, we are sending the quiz link to the participants. Through the link, the participants attempting the quiz. At the end of the quiz, if the participant securing 50% marks, then he has to get the certificate. In this way, I am going to create the certificate for this form. For that, we have to give or we have to add an add-on into this form. For this, we have to click on this more button and then select add-on. All the Google Form add-on will be displayed on the screen. From this, we have to select the Certify EM option. In my computer, it's already installed. That's why it's written as installed. If it is not installed, we have to click on the Certify EM. Then a button will be there for installing it. Click on the install button. Then automatically the Certify EM will be installed into your system. In my computer, it's already added. Now we have to open the quiz and we have to add the certificate EM into this form. For that, we have to click on the add-on. This is actually the button for add-on. Click on this add-on. All the add-ons will be displayed. In this, I have added only one add-on, Certify EM. You have to select on this Certify EM button. Then we have to click on this Enable Certify EM in this quiz. Click on this Get Started button. Now the Certify EM add-on is enabled in this Google form. Now the control is showing here. Next is we have to switch on the certification on. That is, we have to turn on the certification. Click on this turn on button. When we turn on the certificate EM, automatically one field is added to this Google form. That is email address. What is the use of this email address is that every participant attending the quiz has to enter the email ID. And after completing the quiz, if the student secure 50% marks, then the student has to get the certificate. The certificate will be actually sent to this registered email ID. For that purpose, this email ID is very important. After that, here another option, records, that is certificate records. When we click on this, we can view all the participants who are attempted the quiz and his total score, and their details will be there. The next is the passing percentage. Here I am setting it as 50% mark. So we have to click on the 50%. That means the participant scoring 50% marks has to get the certificate. Now we can select the template. When we click on this preview all button, we can view all the certificate templates. From this we can select the appropriate one. Here when we click this, we can view all the certificate names. We can select a suitable one. I am selecting it as golden. Then there is another option, advanced. When we click on the advanced button, we can see that the message should be shown. That is, if a participant after completing the quiz, he has received a message like this: thank you for submission. If you pass, you will receive a printable certificate shortly. If you want, you can change the message and you can add whatever you want, you can add here. Next is the name of the sender. That is, the certificate should be sent by whom. Here I am adding St. Albert's College. Now the registered participants will get the certificate from this mail ID, from this name. And also we can add the subject of this email. Also the contents of the body part you can add. This is actually the options, certificate options. That is, the certificate should be sent as PDF or image. Normally we are setting it as PDF. And after making the required changes, you have to click on the Save Changes button. Now the Google form is ready for the quiz. Now we can share the quiz to the participants. For that, we have to click on the Send button. We can either add the recipient's email ID here, or we can copy the quiz link by clicking this hyperlink button and copy the link. When the participant attended the quiz and after completing the quiz and he secured 50% mark, then automatically the certificate is to be sent to his registered email. It actually takes 5 to 10 minutes time for getting the certificate. In this way, we can easily prepare a certificate using Google Form add-on Certify EM. This is actually a sample certificate I have created using Certify EM. Thank you.